I'm happy that all the people are here and we are back to life after COVID time. These are one of the few times that Bebe has performed. I'm yet to really perform, but I'm so grateful that you guys can turn up. Now, we've got sisters and brothers having concerts everywhere in Uganda. And my message to you tonight, and this message mainly goes to the media. Mugende supporting Okuyimba by Uganda. Go and support everybody. Because we are tired of working so hard without support. Okay? First I have to thank you. Abagenze wa Juliana na abagenze B2C na abagende wa muwala wangu wa songs ani Azawi. But let's keep on the spirit, because that's what will encourage our sisters and brothers to make it where you want it to be. It's 5 years, and that's why it's a big special today. H2O 5 years, ladies and gentlemen. Also support the bars, because the bar owners invest a lot. We don't want to complain with say Nigeria. No, they are playing their game right. We only need to up our game. So when we upping our game, we need to up the game with you and we, the audience and the artists. We need to up the game. We cannot keep blaming Nigerians. They are doing their part. So let's do our part as Ugandans. Let's love our music and let's support our artists. I love you so much. As we will cut so well. Obeda cuts will lay kana when Jango selling cake. Is when I already a cake and yinji kati. And the name is called Buddy. They cuts, where are you? Anyway, thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Cuts. Mwekuba buli kiseera mulwana muyombera ki muyombera buswazi. But let's learn how to live like the successful people. Aba Nigeria bewagira ffe tuli eno tubalwanyisa. Kati nyiza nja okulwanyisa abasajja abali mu America nga bagisazeeko. Instead tulina kubayigirako. Mukitegedde? So support the DJs, support the MCs, support the artists. Ekintu kyaffe tukisuddiye, bwe tutakisuddiye teri ajja kikola ki? Teri ajja kisuddiya. Anyway, microphone over to you. Tulinda? Okay, this is the CEO of the venue. This is the boss of the place. And tonight, this beautiful bar made 5 years. And please, this cake is going to move around. Okay.
You want to say something, Mari?
Yes.
Thank your people. They're here. For the first time in your life, talk to your people.
I know why he doesn't want to talk.
Why?
Where he comes from, he doesn't know how to communicate in certain languages. So he's going
But he knows some
English. But it's good. Yeah, but it's good because it's fun.
Yeah.
You know,
he prepared a speech, very small.
Let me tell you something. When Ugandans speak bad language in English, as in wrong English, they blame us.
Just say something. Say something to the people. You just met 5 years, man.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, our customers support us. 5 years is a H-Town.
Only that.
I know the reason why he wouldn't say a lot, but it is okay. Do we have some people from America or UK? Anybody? Where are you from? Uruguay. Please come. We need to cut this cake. Come on. This is fun. Come on. You know, we need to have some fun here. Seriously. One of you from Uruguay. Come over. All right, yeah. Where are you from? Turkey. Come over. And you? Turkey? I need one person from Turkey, one person from Uruguay. Do we have somebody from a different? I needed somebody from the US. Do we have somebody from India? Anybody from India? Seriously, we need to have some fun because Uganda is the only country in the world where you're free, easy, you feel special no matter where you come from.
Mami abadaga, mami abadaga mbachi. Mami jangu na ye. Jangu na ye. Come on, baby girl. Bring up. Mami ajamu.
But I need it. Okay. Oh, all right.
Okay, 1, 2. Okay.
No. Soko bande, come on over here. What's your name?
Emek.
Now, you know. No, don't worry. I need the other name from Turkey.
Emek.
And what's your name?
Hussein.
Did you understand the name? Is your name written in English or in Turkey?
Hussein.
Is it written in English or in Turkish?
Turkish Hussein.
It is Arabic.
It's Arabic name.
Yes. I am from Turkey, but it's an Arabic name. My name is Hussein.
Okay. And you say you're from Turkey too?
Yes.
And where's your family?
In Turkey. But half Ugandan. I have Ugandan name also. Chirabo.
No, I'm saying Muzungu. She's saying don't call me Muzungu. No, I'm not calling you Muzungu because you're not Muzungu. I'm going to show you Muzungu. Bamukariwa.
Make some noise for Bamukia, ladies and gentlemen, live from the party. We have a Muzungu in the building. You're going to see what Muzungu is all about.
Hold on. Okay, we have someone from the USA and we have someone from UK. What's your name?
Essie.
Essie is from the UK.
Come and say something. Bamuka to your speech.
What's your name?
Romantic MC.
Now, I need to find out from him. Come over. What's your name? Paul. Where you come from?
Uruguay.
Where you come from?
Uruguay.
Yeah?
You come from Uruguay.
Yes, Uruguay, Latin America, Uruguay.
Let me ask you, is it called Uruguay or Uruguay?
Uruguay.
I don't know we needed somebody from, seriously, I need to know. The reason why I asked them to come here, I need us to understand each other. Is it Uruguay or Uruguay?
You have someone behind you.
Is it Turkey or Turkey? Turkey. So even the Americans are wrong in their English.
It has to be Turkey now.
It has to be Turkey. So not Turkey.
It changed. Now it's Turkey.
Okay. Ndoza kati akule ngogote tumwina ko buzibu jango twogere mu Lungereza tubulire gyova amanya go mukyala wo nekyo kimye wano mu Luzungu. Speak English and tell us what's your name, where you come from, why you're here in less than a minute.
Before English, I'm AC Images. I live in Chicago. I'm from United States of NASA.
jangu. UK. UK. Amanyago Jova Churchimia wano n'omulimu gw'okola. Mulesita na minute mu luzungu.
Well, I'm the romantic man, so I come here and eat some fucking cake. Thank you.